615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro Z Master 4000 series with the 60-inch cutting deck. This mower does have a 60-inch cutting deck, which is made of 7-gauge steel. It does have a suspension seat and does have the Toro emblem embroidered into the seat. Does have a built-in cup holder as well as a USB port. This model does have a 10-gallon fuel tank. Coming around the back, this does have a 25.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It does use the pumps and wheel motors with the ZT 4400s. Here we have your controls, your PTO, your choke, as well as your hour meter here. This does have your cutting height adjustment, which is going to be foot pedal operated, and it does cut between 1.5 inches and 5.5 inches. Here we have your rubber chute. And it does come with the bullnose design. Once again, this is the Toro Z Master 4000 series with a 60-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower, any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.